Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add and sell digital photos on your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to log into your account. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard right here where you can see and access all the websites that you have. So as you can see, here is my website that I want to go ahead and open up, that I'm going to go ahead and be selling digital photos on. So go ahead and open it up by clicking the website button right here. It's going to open it up in this new tab, and as you can see here, you can now get started with selling everything you need. So this is going to be our main page where at the left side screen we can see all the options we can access, such as our website, we have our products and services, invoicing, and so on. And what we want to do is open up our store first. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and click the pages section. In the pages section, guys, as you can see under main navigation, I can find my store. If you do not have your store, you just want to go ahead and add it, you can do so by clicking the plus button right here next to main navigation. That's going to enable you to add what you want, and other collections you can find the store section. So click on store, and this is automatically going to create your store for you that we can now get started with editing. So as you can see, after clicking on my store, this is now going to open up my store, how it looks, what I'm selling, and so I can find everything I have right here. And to get started with adding your photos, guys, and creating your own store, you're going to click the plus button right here. This is now going to enable you to select what you want to sell. You can select physical items, services, downloads, doesn't matter, guys. So you can go ahead and select that you want to select and sell a download or something similar for using digital photos. So after selecting, this is going to enable you to go ahead and create your product. So you can go ahead and enter in all your details, such as the product name, info, images, inventory, and so on. And after that, you can just click save, publish, and so on to add to your website store. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.